Okay, folks, so I'm about to show you out the front door. I showed you the backyard. Now I'm about to show you out the front door what it kind of looks like. Crazy stuff happening here in Elburn. They shut down Route 47 last night. And from what I understand, some people are still stranded on Route 47 and other local streets around here. So, all right, here we go. I'm going to open the front door and show you. Okay. It's a lot of fun. I love it. Okay, bye. So, oh, here's what it looks like. Kind of crazy. After it's all the way up, the drifts over there. You can see the neighbor's truck. You can see Ed's truck pretty much not buried in the snow, but pretty much the snow is all up here. And there's so much blowing and drifting. It's not but what's really weird is there's just so much blowing and drifting. It doesn't even make sense to go out there and shovel. So, but here we are, Blizzard 2011.